Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here in front of you to explain or teach you what is matrix or matrices. I hope you enjoyed guys. So, what is matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns. Each number in a matrix is called an element, and the number of rows and columns in a matrix determines its size and order. For example guys, the 2 rows and 3 columns is called 2 by 3 matrix. Like this. There are 2 rows, which is the horizontal, and the columns is the vertical lines. This. And guys, there are different classifications of matrices. First, column matrix, which is, I explained it earlier, the column matrix is the vertical line. And the second is row matrix or row vector, which is the horizontal line. I explained it already earlier. The third is the null or zero matrix, a matrix whose all entries are zero. For example guys, like this, they're all zeros. And the fourth guys is a triangular matrix, a special kind of square matrix where either all the entries below or all entries above the main diagonal are zero. So like this, the zero is in nasa ilalim, and the here is the zero in the above of the entries number. So the fifth is the lower triangular matrix, a special kind of square matrix whose entries above the diagonal entries are all zeros. Example, like this, all zero is in the above, and the numbers, entries numbers are in the down of the zeros. The sixth is the upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix is a special kind of square matrix whose entries below the diagonal entries are all zeros. So like this, the in the down of the entries, diagonal entries number are zero, like this. The numbers is in above, the zero is in down. The seventh is the diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a special kind of square matrix whose of main diagonal entries are all zeros. So like this. As you can see, the numbers is in the middle and the zeros is in the up and the down. That is diagonal matrix. And the last is the identity matrix, a special kind of a diagonal matrix whose diagonal entries in the main diagonal are all 1. Like this, all 1. So the eighth is the scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix in which all terms in the main diagonal are equal. Example, here, the numbers in the middle. As you can see, the numbers in the middle is equal, and the down is mayroong 0, sa up mayroong 0. In the middle is equal or the same lang. That that is the scalar matrix. So that are the different classification of matrices. So this time guys, I will teach you the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. If A is any MXN matrix, then the transpose of A denoted by AT is defined to be the NXM matrix that results from interchanging the rows and the columns of A. That is, the first column of AT is the first row of A. The second column of AT is the second row of A, and so forth. Example. Makikita natin guys na meron ditong A. Dapat capital letter lang pwedeng gamitin dito guys. So, as you can see, the rows here is the 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. So, we will change it into the column para matawag natin siyang na transpose. So, the letter A here is lagyan natin siya ng T. Letter T represents transpose. So, the rows here, we will going to change it into the column. That is transpose.